I had often found it difficult to make videos on my DSLR while using the small articulating screen on it. The result, my videos were sometimes completely out of focus and I had to reshoot them, which would cause delays in posting, which was not at all good. So, I found a solution, a cheap one. What's up friends, this is Misuket. Welcome back to my channel for yet another 3-minute Tuesday video. In today's 3 minutes, I will show you how I started viewing and recording videos directly on my MacBook from my DSLR. I love making videos on a budget. I use a basic Nikon DSLR camera, basic lenses, basic lights and a lot of dedication and passion to make videos. But managing everything single-handedly sometimes gets very difficult, especially when the camera is away from me and I'm not able to see if I'm in focus or not on the small screen. So I found a smart way in which I can use my 13-inch MacBook as a field monitor and record videos directly on its hard drive rather than the SD card. Now, if your camera has a mini HDMI, micro HDMI or a full HDMI output, you can also do it. All you need is a corresponding HDMI cable and a device like this known as a video capture card. You can get both of these things on Amazon for around Rs.2000. The ones that I have purchased, I will put the link in the description below. Now, how the connections work. The mini HDMI goes into your camera. The HDMI out on the cable will go in the video capture card and the video capture card will connect to your laptop or PC via USB. After connecting all the cables, all you got to do is, if you're on a MacBook, fire up QuickTime, set it to record movie and select the audio and video device both to be the video capture card. You will immediately start seeing the feed from your camera. Now, if you want to record the movie onto your MacBook, you got to press the record button in QuickTime. Else, you can just use your laptop as a preview monitor and record it on your camera. You can also use if an external monitor or you have an extra TV with you, you can use those devices as well to be your preview monitors. For that, you don't need a video capture card. You would just need the HDMI cable. If you are using Windows, you would need an external screen recording app like OBS Studio or something on those lines. Now, this device captures full HD videos at 60 FPS. There are also devices which can capture 4K videos, but since my camera output is limited to full HD, I went ahead with this device. That is it. It is this simple. Now, I can be sure that none of my videos are out of focus and I would not have to shoot them again and again. You can also live stream directly from your DSLR using this device and also live stream your gaming console through this device. The connection is the same. The HDMI would go from your gaming console to this video capture card and this video capture card again to your laptop or your PC. And through that, you connect any live streaming app and that's it. You are live streaming your games. If you found the video informative, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the bell icon to be the first to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you all in the next video. This is me, Suket, signing off. Hey Siri, I don't know why, but my videos always end up being more than 3 minutes.
Has to be. You put so much information in the videos.
Yeah, that's true. Hey, can you switch off all the lights please? Thanks.
All right, here you go.